today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix SFX, radio, and NPCs no voice in your GTA San Andreas. So all you have to do is just to open this link. I will leave it in the description. Just scroll down till you find cutscene sound. These two description. Choose what best for you. I think this is what is best for our situation. Just click on the first website. It will direct us to another Mediafire link, and here we have our SFX and stream folders. Click on download, make sure that you have downloaded it, download in the right folder. After that, what I wanted to do is just to open GTA San Andreas file location. Just right click on the file on the game and open file location. You will have these folders here, and then what I wanted to do is just click on the audio. After entering the audio, you will have these three folders, SFX and streams. So what I wanted to do is just to copy those folders that you installed from the website and paste them here, one in SFX and one in streams, and this will fix automatically your problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.